MP Horen Singh Bay 0 hours sahut Parliament session along Articles 244A alam ki jaidun. Dipu matipung eboritum along ki Chengsi PMJSY puthaka Chingwai Assam Gov PWD Secretary nang chitong dun. Meghalaya hoi kidai tadulang solong kipibon sheep breeding farm kichirengjeng nang ko kaputhak veterinary asai khia tumpen alam the. Kardom Karbi prime time long penili junality mungpi non birtang ton pen arjik tha. Karbi ang long lapendi mahaso MP Horen Singh Bay non hejong Union Parliament session along Articles 244A alam jaidunsi inglong hinia rat arjiding klui pen hemprek ke hang alam pachini dun. Karbi ang long lapendi mahaso MP Horen Singh Bay Union Parliament session kido 0 hours ahut Articles 244A alam ningje pangcheng dunsi Karbi ang long lapendi mahaso arat autonomous state aphan kachesong arjiting olo pusi ningje dun. Alang li Karbi ang long autonomous council along executive lapen legislative ajakong do puning je thusi hinia council along dihin mate tangka maha kachidor di alam session along pachini thu.
I rise to bring to the notice of this August House regarding the long-standing political issue of the constituency which I represent. That is number 3 autonomous district as the parliamentary constituency is full scheduled area administered by 2 autonomous council, namely Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and Dima Hasao Autonomous Council. Sir, the government of Assam has minimum role as far as development matters are concerned in this area, but the council themselves do not enjoy the status and financial resource of normal state. This means that the council have assumed the responsibility of a state, but agencies like the Niti Ayog and the Finance Commission have no mandate to make exclusive grant and allocation for this area. As a result, the council are presently facing 70% revenue deficit, and at the rupees of 3,900 per capita, Karbi Anglong has the lowest per capita plan investment in the entire northeast.
MP Beasang ho ningje thulo BJP asongja po RK Advani lapen Nitin Gadkari Karbi Anglong along kiwang ahut Delhi along BJP asokar senglong lote autonomous state nang pipo pusi rat aphan lam chak pitekang nilita autonomous state alam pensi inglong hinia rat vote nang PC nang pahailo BJP asongja po pang hinia lam chak ateng Articles 244A kapachunjia pan chiklo John Thompen ipong Union Gov pen Karbi Anglong lapen di Mahasau Autonomous Council apan kachingkijia pan panang jiputa Beasang ho session along pachini.
Unique contradiction could not be resolved during the past 40 years, causing unmitigated civil strife, conflict and violence. Subsequently, peace accord like the tripartite MOU in 1995 and MOS in 2011. So the solution is provided in the constitution itself and has been since 1969. So, and significantly, sir, the BJP leader have been consistently supporting the implementation of Article 244A as evident from the fact that Mr. Daden Deputy Prime Minister LK Advani, while addressing the public meeting at Khaironi, and assured that if BJP came into power, they would consider the implementation of Article 244.
Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council asi M Tuliram Ronghang Chipahem Pusi Dipu Matipung Eboritum along Kechengsi PMJSY Amai Pado Pusi Kat News along Pirtanang Pale. Karbi Anglong along Kiklem Bom PMJSY Atuwar Kelang Chari Pamiji Aphanpura Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council asi M Tuliram Ronghang Chipahem Pusi Jakhong Poani Dipu Matipung along Kido Eboritum along Isi Ave Kirui Mate Review Amai Pado Laso Amai along Assam Ko PWD Secretary Dibia Jyoti Saharia Assam Chief Engineer Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Principal Secretary Pen Chenglong Secretary PWD Engineer Pen Contractor Atum Chitong Dun Maya Long Jakhong Trogani PMJSY Atawar along Mobile Testing Laboratory Asaita Kapachunji Alamto Hamren pen kilometer thom kep akhelo langhem phi tadulang solong veterinary department pen kibi ponsi breeding farm kithireng jeng aputhak kat news channel along paklang det aphi sub divisional animal husbandry and veterinary Hamren saikhia tumpen ahok pet alam kaningje pon alam jakhong ni phai phoani phirang ke hundor kro pen birta nang pale Labangso sheep breeding farm laki kidam tang 1998 aningan border development scheme pensik kim rang ponlo. Ang pada bangso sheep breeding farm along kepalang jiapan bangkithom master role biponlo. Bonstami ason kibeng kipan kido joknon puani anta alang nitumapan thangnat apai nong tami bimo betet lang pusi chinidun. Non malom so porban birta moington peiksana.
Come live, come and test drive Nissan New Star India. Visit a nearest dealer at Dhanbi Motors. Authorized dealer of Nissan. 80 Road, Kutikala, opposite number 2 petrol pump, Hypergaon, Nagaon, 782002, Assam. With attractive offers of the month, Microactive, XVS 50,000, Redigo 15,000, Datsun Go 10,000, Go Plus 10,000, Sunny 50,000. Tarano XLDO special offers up to 2 lakh. Along with special offers of Ford Doctor. Check on the given screen. For more details, contact sales consultant Bisnu Tiso 9365 454415 9954 793905.
আজিকালি যিকোনো পাৰ্টি মানে কাঞ্জ জুচ বাইদি বেটো কমলাটো খাইছিলি না আনাৰ ৰসটো পাহাৰীয়া কমলা আৰু আনাৰ ৰসৰ পৰা তৈয়াৰ কৰা কাঞ্জ জুচ সম্পূৰ্ণ বিশুদ্ধ কাঞ্জ জুচ খাওক জীৱনৰ মজা লওক
Kanj Juice.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkhelan, near Don Bosco School Depot, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88008 or 0789 61 69021.
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব
Kanj Water.
Atorkimi outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, flasks, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Depot, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
namo piputhot birta long wangthulo kidam tang bosik niphai ingkoira sirkep ani Karbi long pen harlong amtan ke pon aputhak usuka song pen HD minister sumrong hang ardeng pinpo lo ipak pajir damlo pinpo alo along Karbi long akhia dat antan ke pon ington nangji lapen inghap nangji pu pinpo alo minister rong hang pen saideng ponsi kanghap jia phan lam toy ki bipona birta phirangke rostom to wipen birta nang pale Minister Sumrong hanga hin pen Karbi long arlo pen arlong kipon kepatonga sai kedenga jok usuka tiripia may ame puchun bangla pen claim dam rapera tumpen kachuro pon alam the jakong ni phai phoani usuka songa hin pen pangda Karbi long autonomous council kachari ke the kidinga tum mati CMEM rapen MSC atum setami aron re pen Karbi long akiatat kipon along kaningje tuna kenang sot puta alang litum pen hingje athe Karbi long arlo sangti harlong koila thengpi theng prang lapen prek jam ason aniwang atrak ke pon chimit medet ajok Karbi long a ingnam nang sampridang tanglo puta alang litumpen kaningje pado HD minister Sumrong hang pen bangso sai kedeng pon apot choropar loputa usuka tidipi ame achun bang jin 2000 ka pen kachuro lam the pajir Puloni Circle Office along Pion Chukidar Adum Mentune Penta Kapangtir Asai ki claim cleded ajok Sai Hem Keter ke era Sai Hem anta tining tung teset an pin pusi Pirang ke pen jakhong ni phai phoa ni birta nang pale Puloni Circle Office along Komentu ni ani pen Keter ke era hormu hai hui ta kapangtir thedet ajok Sai Hem arlo ta Sai Hem Putin ing tung te Sai Hem puset Keter ke er kilit parpik ajok kunat ni puber borai ason si mandet Sai pu sai phia tum pen ke pangthir et nang jipu alam ta than pon ro bonta pion chukidar atum anu cheden deden ajo lapuson si kai ke takke ter ke rc theklong nang bom lo pusi cycle office pen inu chirok tok abang pu pen pachini Karbi prime dai mangkela pansikang ton pro iklo dumi thakmi kurwang thu